Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian with another edition of Talk with Angelo. Doing it from a different setting today in the office. Got a lot of clients on queue. We're actually shooting a lot of videos today, and I figured why not just do it from the same spot I was doing my other recording. So it's actually a special edition of Talk with Angelo here on the couch. So anyway, we got a lot of people calling in. You can actually call in at 832-431-6331. Every Friday we do this Talk with Angelo. You guys are out there. You have real estate questions. You don't know what to do with credit, loans. There's commercial deals, hard money, private, residential loans. People got a lot of questions and they're trying to figure out the best way to structure their loan. You got to talk to an expert, deal with a guru that actually knows about real estate and lending. So call in 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you. Give me a call in my office. I want to help you to get your funding. So let's see who we have on the queue. You actually call and talk with me directly. It's not a third party or anyone like that. You actually get to talk with me, talk about the loan. Hey, good afternoon. This is Angelo Christian. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing fine. How are you?
Awesome. Who am I talking to?
Sherilyn.
Sherilyn?
Uh-huh.
Hey there.
Yeah.
What city are you calling from?
Houston.
Oh, you're in Houston too. Cool. Awesome, Cheryl. Thank you so much for reaching out, and definitely happy to talk with you, see what you have going on. How can we help you, ma'am?
So I was calling to see if you guys did the 30-year fixed on investment property.
We do. We're actually one of the only lenders that does a no doc. Well, we have a full documentation. Then we have a no documentation. We're one of the only lenders that does a no documentation 30-year fixed, fully amortized loan.
Okay.
So we can take a look and look at your deal and see what you have going on. So, do you already have a property that you're looking to purchase, or what's going on?
Yeah, I have a property, that I'm looking to purchase. I haven't turned in the contract yet. I'm also a realtor.
Oh, you're a realtor. Cool. We got to do some business together. So, all right, that sounds good. We actually, surprisingly, we do a lot of loans for realtors, so they're buying rental properties. In fact, I did a realtor here in Houston recently. She bought 4 properties, like in Humble and Spring, and like doing no documentation. So, because usually, realtors, they have a lot of write-offs, and so they can't show their income to the bank. So we have a really cool program, no documentation. That means that you don't have to disclose your tax returns or bank statements. So that would be a solution, and you don't have to do hard money and do a balloon loan. You can actually get, a conventional loan. So so it's really cool. So talk to me about the property. What part of Houston is it in?
It's in Southwest Houston. It's near Missouri City.
Okay. And is there a tenant in there right now, or is it vacant?
No, actually, the person selling it is living there. It's occupied, but it's not a tenant occupied.
Okay. And what's the price of it?
Well, it's listed for $129. It's down from $142.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. That's a perfect price point. Missouri City's great. I mean, it seems like a no-brainer. I mean, it seemed like it'd be a long-term hold. Now, do you own any real estate now?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your current real estate. Do you own any primary residence?
Well, yes and no. I do have own my residence, but it is in the name of our company, and we just refinanced with a blanket loan. Refinance some of our properties and also the house that we're living in. So actually, it's not in my name; it's in the company's name.
But you live there?
Yes.
Okay. And then you have some other rental properties?
Yes.
Okay. And are you trying to do a no documentation loan, or you want to do a fully documented loan?
Well, what's the interest rate on the no doc?
Well, let's take a look and see. I can tell you that. Where do you think your credit score is at right now?
Well, on this loan that we just closed last week, it was 710.
710. Okay. And how much are you wanting to put down?
I can put 30% down.
Okay. The only thing that when you do that, when you go below 100,000 on the loan, there's a rate adjustment because of going under 100,000. So I do have a concern about It will help with the. I'm going to say.
Well, what's the least I can put down?
Well, the least is 20, but then the rate's going to be higher. So, so what I can do, here's what I can tell you. It'll be a 30-year fixed loan, and if you do no documentation with 20 to 30% down, there's going to probably be a difference if you put 20% down of 1% versus 30%. But you're at a bracket, a price point. If you go below 100, it's going to adjust. There's going to be a rate adjustment. So I'm gonna say realistically, probably about 6 to 7% is what you're looking at, somewhere in that percentile for a no doc. If you do a fully documented loan, you put that much money down, you're probably going to be in the fours. So like 4.7, 4.6, 4.8, somewhere in there. So, but it would require full disclosure, and you'd have to qualify with your tax returns and bank statements and all that stuff.
So I haven't even done my 2018.
Yeah, you would need 2018. Yeah, they would want because that year's already passed and the extension's over. So, yeah, we'd have to look at probably doing a no doc then, which is fine.
Okay.
You would still be able to have a good cap rate though, because the rate is still low enough, and it's a fully 30-year fully amortized loan that you still be able to profit off of the rental.
Well, let me ask you this, because it needs some repairs.
Okay.
Do you like finance the repairs?
We do, but no, we do rehab loans, absolutely, but that's a different loan, because a rehab loan is not the same as a long-term loan. And so, how much are you needing for repairs?
Well, I need probably about 15,000.
Okay.
But I can do them. I was just seeing if that would just like raise the price.
Well, yeah, we can give you a but see, when you do a repair loan, it's a bridge loan. It's not a 30-year fixed loan.
Okay.
So you'd have to which we can do, then you'd have to refinance within a year to go to the long term. And we can give you both loans. We can give you the bridge, and then we can give you the refi to the long term. It's up to you if you want to go that way.
No, I would just do the repairs then.
Okay.
I thought maybe you could just add it in to bring the price up or something like that.
The only way we could do that is if the seller gave you a credit at closing for that. Like, in other words, if you buy it for, let's say it's the sales price is 130, and then you take it to 150, and then the seller would have to give you a credit, via the title company for that 20K allowance. That would be something that you'd have to work out with the seller and the title company. That's the only way that you could do that outside of closing.
Okay.
So,
I gotcha.
But that would be something that you guys would negotiate. So, but it can be done. I just need to know which way to go, and then basically, where we go from here is I would email you over the application. You get that filled out. We're here in the Galleria. You can come by and bring your stuff over here, or you can do it all online, and then we can work on getting you the pre-approval letter and then process and close the loan. But this is what we do for thousands of people. We actually do this nationwide, all over America. So we'd love to help you to get the deal going.
Okay, so the application, I had trouble with the application. I saved it to my desktop, and then, maybe because I was using my tablet. I'll go try to do it on my.
Well, the no-doc one is a different one. I'm going to email it to you, because you actually leave your employment and income blank. You don't put any employment or income on the application. So yeah, it's a different one. I'm going to email that to you later, or my lenders will send that out to you. So I know you created an account, which is fine, but for the no-doc loan, you actually don't put anything with your employment or income in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
And then how soon can I get the pre-approval?
This week.
Letter.
Have it this week to you, so I can have you approved this week. So today's Wednesday, so by Friday.
Okay.
Yeah. So, so what I'll do, let me work on it today. I'll email you over all the information, and then if you could please get that filled out, then we can get this show underway.
Okay. So on my contract, is this same as cash, or just put a lender?
No, you'd put us as a lender. You put us
Okay.
as a lender, and then, yeah, I mean, yeah, it would be conventional loan.
Okay.
30-year fixed
Alrighty.
loan. So yeah, all that would
Okay.
be filled out the same way. So, but yeah, what I'll do, are you already going under contract right now with the seller?
Well, I was going to turn in something this afternoon.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you could go ahead and do that, and then just tell us with the title company where you want to do the closing. Obviously we're going to need to get our customary things like title, our survey, homeowner's insurance policy, which we also provide that too. But when we go through that, we get those necessary. We have to get the house appraised. We order an appraisal. So that whole process, still is the same. So, but from what you're telling me, it'd be no problem to fund you, and this is a no-brainer deal. So,
Right. Okay.
so yeah, I'll get this out to you today. If you have any questions, you need anything, just give me a call, and I'll be here.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. Take care. Look forward to seeing you.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Hey guys, that's a talk with Angelo. That's a real estate investor. I help a lot of realtors to get funding for their deals. It's really, really cool. So basically, if you're out there, you're trying to get funding for a deal, we help a lot of investors with getting funding for their loans. So that's just one of many. It's actually crazy how many investors we actually help to get real estate loan funding. Because they're out there, realtors, loan officers, lenders, they write off all their income and then they can't get funded through a bank. You do a no documentation loan. Guys, talk with Angelo. Give us a call, 832-431-6331. We want to help answer your real estate funding questions, whether it's commercial, hard money, residential, bank loans. We'd love to help you nationwide.
Hello?
Hey, this is Angelo Christian. I was calling to get back in touch with you. I got a call from you earlier. I was checking in.
Oh, yes, Angelo. This is Colin Somerville from Remax. We spoke on November 13th.
Hey, buddy, what's going on?
How are you? In reference to Dobson,
Yeah.
the mortgage, right. And that was coming. It still has not come.
Yeah, we've the client actually. So, and I don't know if you're on that email train, but they haven't supplied the necessary documents to fulfill the loan. So we canceled the loan. So.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
okay.
they haven't given us what we needed. We can't spend any more time on that.
Okay, so it's that's what I said.
Yeah.
But the other agent wasn't letting me know as far as.
Yeah, I mean, we can't do that. I mean, we can't sit like that. We have to move on. So we've requested the things, and they just kind of sat there. So.
Okay, because on the 13th you told me that it was conditionally approved.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, but we can't
right.
get the conditions in. We can't do anything. So.
Okay.
But anyway, no. If they, we've asked them probably about 10 times to send it in, and if we can't get it in, then we can't. It's just, unfortunately. I mean, I don't know what else to do. So.
Right. Okay. Well, keep working. I know, that's what I thought. So, all right. But I just wanted to make sure.
Yes, sir.
Wanted to confirm that we're not working on it anymore.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye-bye.
Thanks, Angelo.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys, talk with Angelo. Give us a call if you have any questions, whatever you need. I think that's going to wrap it up for the day with Talk with Angelo. So if you have any questions, be on the lookout also for our giveaway. We do a giveaway every single Friday at 11 a.m. So we have actually at 3 p.m. for our giveaway. So we're giving away a bunch of stuff. I'm going to actually go on to that next to actually go on to our giveaway. Thank you guys so much for calling with Talk with Angelo. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.